Hey guys, so let's test the setting sprays. First we have the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, Gerard Cosmetics Lay All Day, Makeup Obsession Fit Fix, the So Dope, MAC Fix Plus of course, NYX Dewy Finish and the Makeup Obsession Dewy Fix. So I'll be swatching an eyeshadow from the Makeup Obsession palette. So I'm picking up the shade Glow Baby and Hot Sauce, which is one shimmer and one matte shade, just to see if the setting spray works differently or no. Like if we are using two different formulas, if it makes any difference or no. Let's see that. So I'm going to swatch them on my arm to see and to test the setting sprays. Let's begin with our first setting spray, the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So I'm going to put setting spray on one set of these swatches and I'm going to keep the other set as it is to see if the setting spray even make a difference or no. Let's start with the smudge test. So that's my first wipe. Okay, that's my second wipe. Let's do it for the third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. That is great, that looks great. Let's see what happens to the other side. Okay, so the shimmer has completely came off and the matte shadow also faded a bit. Look at that, look at the difference. So I think a setting spray does make sense. Let's perform our next test, which is a water test. So I'm going to spray my arm with some water to see how the setting spray would hold up during a rainy day or when you're extremely sweaty. And the next side is kind of coming off with the water. Whereas the other side, it's actually nothing is happening. It's just already faded and like that. Let's do some pat. Let me pat it with a tissue paper like to see. Okay, well, that looks nice. I mean, better than the where we have it sprayed. So one thing is for sure, setting sprays do work. Like, come on, it works. I mean, you had that doubt, I had that doubt. It's clear now. The next one is the Makeup Obsession Fit Fix, along with the Gerard Cosmetics Lay All Day Setting Spray. So I'll be swatching the same shades because it makes sense, correct, to see how it works with all the setting sprays, like with the same thing. So I'm spraying Gerard Cosmetics on the left side and the Fit Fix on the right side. Let's do the smudge test. Okay, that looks great. I mean, the shimmer is intact, the matte is pretty intact. Let's try the Fit Fix side. Wow, I mean, okay, I am impressed. Look at that. They both did a fabulous job, but I think the Fit Fix matte one, the hot sauce shade, looks more vibrant. I don't know, I mean, what do you guys think? Please let me know. I think both of them did an amazing job. That is for sure. Let's do the water test. Looking good so far. Okay, no. The Gerard side is dissolving off with the water. Oh yes, it is going everywhere. The shimmers are in place, but the matte one is going everywhere. Whereas the Fit Fix has impressed me. Look at that. It looks so great. It is intact. It is so intact. The shimmers are intact. The matte is intact. Let's try to dab it off and see what happens. Okay, the matte one definitely came off. And the Fit Fix. Wow, the Makeup Obsession Fit Fix has clearly won. Look at that. Look at that. It is still intact even with the water. Alright, next up is NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray and the Makeup Obsession Dewy Fix. So I'm spraying the NYX Dewy Setting Spray first, like on my right side, and then the Makeup Obsession on the left side. Well, that was great. I didn't expect that, to be honest. The shimmer is completely off. The matte one looks great, but I mean, that's weird, right? The matte one is great, but the shimmer has completely came off. Well, honestly, I thought the dewy setting spray wouldn't be doing such a good job at holding up, but looking at the next one, it did an amazing job. Now let's do the water test. I'm eager to see if any of these, I think that they would bleed, but so far they are holding up pretty well. Like, I didn't expect this from the dewy sprays, looking at the matte ones, and wow, they are holding up. I didn't expect this. The next side looks absolutely amazing. With the Makeup Obsession, the shimmer already came off when I was doing the smudge test, so the matte has been up. Let's see if anything comes on the tissue, and just a tiny amount of the matte one. With the Makeup Obsession, I think the same. But I would still say that they did a good job. Being the dewy setting spray, I think they did perform really well. And now the final battle between the Makeup Obsession So Dope Fixing Spray and the MAC Fix Plus. So this is the So Dope side, and this one is the MAC Fix Plus side. Let's do the smudge test. So that is our So Dope. Looks good. And the MAC Fix Plus. Oh well, that's smudged off. The matte as well as the shimmer. Pretty disappointed with the MAC one, to be honest. The So Dope one looks good. Let's do the water test. Oh, okay. So the So Dope one is dissolving off with the water, and the MAC side, it is not dissolving, but it has just smudged off. Okay, looks good. So the MAC one performed well with the water test, and so did the So Dope one. Well, I think the MAC one performed the worst between all the setting spray which we tried. But the shimmer is still intact. I mean, I don't understand this, to be honest, you guys. It is so weird, correct? So we clearly have a winner. Our Makeup Obsession Fit Fix is the best between all that we tried. And you all tell me which one performed the worst in the comment section down below. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you want me to make more videos like this. Bye bye.